I did something pretty crazy. For the last 30 days, I completely stopped using Google. No searching. No opening 10 different websites. No endless blog posts. Instead, I used artificial intelligence for everything. Travel planning. Learning new skills. Writing emails. Doing research. Even trying to make money online. And what happened honestly shocked me. By the end of this experiment, I discovered things that could change the way we use the internet forever. But I also found one serious problem that almost nobody talks about. So, did AI actually replace Google? Or did I go back to search engines after a month? Let's find out. Why I started this challenge. Think about a normal Google search. You type in a question. You open 5 websites. You close 3 of them. You read 2 articles. You watch 1 YouTube video. And after 20 minutes, you are still not fully sure about the answer. That made me wonder. What if AI could skip all of that? What if one tool could give me the answer right away? So I made one simple rule. For the next 30 days, no Google. No traditional search engines. And honestly, I thought I would fail in less than a week. I was wrong. Week 1. Everything felt like magic. The first week felt amazing. I asked AI to create a healthy meal plan. Done in seconds. I asked it to write a professional email. Done. I asked it to explain cryptocurrency like I was 10 years old. Perfect explanation. I even planned an entire weekend trip with AI. Hotels. Places to visit. Budget. Packing list. Everything. Tasks that normally took 30 minutes suddenly took less than 5. I started asking myself, why have I been using Google all these years? I was not giving me links. It was giving me answers. And that felt revolutionary. I became faster, more productive, and honestly, a little addicted. The productivity explosion. By week 2, I noticed something surprising. I was saving hours every single day. Instead of researching for 1 hour, I was finishing tasks in 15 minutes. I used AI to write content ideas. I used it to summarize long articles. I used it to create workout plans. I used it to understand difficult topics. I used it to generate business ideas. I used it to brainstorm YouTube titles. I even used it to create social media captions. The speed was unbelievable. That's when I realized something important. Google helps you find information. AI helps you use information. And that is a huge difference. For the first time, it felt like I had a personal assistant available 24 hours a day. When things started going wrong, but then, the problems started showing up. One day, I asked AI for information about a company. The answer looked perfect. Professional. Confident. Detailed. Except, it was wrong. Completely wrong. Another time, it made up statistics that did not exist. Then it recommended a website that was not even real. That is when I learned one of the biggest lessons from this experiment. I can sound extremely confident, even when it is completely incorrect. And that is dangerous. Because when Google gives you 10 sources, you can compare them. With AI, you might trust the first answer right away. I realized something important. Convenience can sometimes make us less careful. The biggest surprise: after almost a month, I noticed something I never expected. I was not missing Google. I was missing verification. Whenever I needed quick explanations, AI was incredible. But whenever I needed facts, latest news, or important information, I wanted real sources. I wanted links. I wanted proof. That is when everything clicked. AI is not replacing Google. It is changing the way we search. Instead of searching first, we now ask first. And then verify later. That is a completely new behavior. Things AI did better than Google here are the things AI absolutely did better. Number 1. Learning difficult concepts. It can explain things at your level. Number 2. Writing help. Emails. Scripts. Summaries. Brainstorming. Number 3. Planning. Trips. Projects. Schedules. Business ideas. Number 4. Saving time. This was the biggest benefit of all. I removed information overload. No more opening 20 tabs. No more endless scrolling. For productivity, I won this experiment. And it was not even close. Things Google still does better, but Google still wins in several areas. Breaking news. Local information. Product reviews. Research that needs multiple sources. Finding official websites. Checking facts. And discovering new content. Search engines are still incredibly powerful. The internet has not become useless. It is simply evolving. So, did AI replace Google for me? No, but it changed my internet habits forever. Today, I use both. I ask AI first. Then I verify important information. That is the winning combination. And I think millions of people will do the same. The future is not AI versus Google. The future is AI plus Google. The people who learn how to use both tools together will have a huge advantage. So here is my question for you. Could you survive 30 days without Google? Or has AI already changed the way you search? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos about AI, online income, and future technology, subscribe to AI Profit Lab and join us for the next experiment. Because the future is arriving faster than anyone expected.